Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: artificial intelligence, or AI. In this video, we will delve into the fascinating world of AI and explore its limitless potential. So, let's get started. Segment 1. What is AI? To begin, let's understand what AI is. Artificial intelligence refers to the development of computer systems that can perform tasks that would typically require human intelligence. These tasks include speech recognition, problem solving, learning, and decision-making. Explanation of AI. AI is based on the concept of machine learning, where computers are trained to analyze vast amounts of data and make predictions or decisions based on patterns and algorithms. It's like teaching a computer to think and learn like a human, but with much greater speed and accuracy. Segment 2. Applications of AI. Now that we know what AI is, let's explore its various applications in different fields. Application 1. Healthcare. AI has revolutionized the healthcare industry. It can analyze medical data, assist in diagnosing diseases, and even predict patient outcomes. This technology has the potential to save lives and improve the overall quality of healthcare. The application 2. AI is also transforming the finance sector. It can analyze market trends, predict stock prices, and automate financial processes. This not only enhances efficiency, but also helps in making informed investment decisions. Application 3. Transportation. AI is playing a crucial role in the development of autonomous vehicles. Self-driving cars are becoming a reality, thanks to AI algorithms that can perceive the environment, make decisions, and navigate safely. Segment 3. Limitations of AI. While AI has immense potential, it's important to acknowledge its limitations. Limitation 1. Lack of common sense. AI lacks common sense reasoning, which humans possess naturally. It can struggle with understanding context, sarcasm, or making intuitive judgments. Limitation 2. Data bias. AI systems heavily rely on the data they are trained on. If the data is biased or incomplete, it can lead to biased outcomes or reinforce existing prejudices. Limitation 3. Ethical concerns. AI raises ethical concerns, such as privacy, job displacement, and the potential for misuse. It's crucial to address these concerns and ensure responsible development and deployment of AI technologies. Segment 4. Future of AI. As we look ahead, the future of AI seems incredibly promising. Future 1. Advancements in robotics. Combined with robotics is expected to revolutionize industries like manufacturing, healthcare, and even space exploration. Robots will become more intelligent and capable of performing complex tasks. Future 2. AI in education. AI has the potential to personalize education, providing tailored learning experiences to students. It can adapt to individual needs, identify areas of improvement, and enhance the overall learning process. Dear fellow scholars, this is 2-Minute Papers with Dr. Carr Dr. Papers. Today we are leaving the age of AI chat assistants that is not by accident. These assistants are incredible, and with browsing support, they can find deals for us if we wish to buy a pair of headphones play tax-based games with us that we can make up on the fly. They are excellent at coding and can even pass the bar exam. Now I have heard some folks saying that Google is so far behind on this. And today you will see that this is not the case at all. Google is coming with guns blazing here. Is an incredible demo of Bard the CAD JEP, like large language model assistant. So what can it do? Is it as good as Chad? GPT, let's see together it can, for instance. Code up chess moves in Python. Although it's Python, so the task is now as easy as it gets it. It's nice to see that it knows all the relevant libraries and concepts to make it happen. But there is something super interesting happening here. Look, it will tell you what the output of this piece of code will be, something that Chad GPT is not that willing to do. And it gets better, it also cites its sources even when it comes to writing code. Then when done, We will be able to move this to Collab, an online notebook for running your coding experiments. And it also has the favorite of the fellow scholars, dark mode yummy. So these assistants are mostly limited to text information. For instance, we can ask CAD Jeep to recommend us text-to-image prompt, and the results will often be fantastic, but it cannot generate an image, at least not directly, to show how powerful this concept is. We will now take these ridiculously detailed scholarly prompts that really embody the spirit of 2-minute papers and go to a separate text-to-image AI and generate these scholarly images. First illustration of a computer program rapidly sifting through scientific papers, extracting key findings and condensing them into a 2-minute format. Loving it, very imaginative. Now a digital representation of a sentient A depicted as a scholar surrounded by floating abstracts of research papers, with a timer in the background counting down 2 minutes, and an artwork of a futuristic AI professor delivering a rapid-fire lecture about a complex computational topic with visual aids and diagrams materializing from a holographic interface. And he's doing it with style so good, and these prompts are just getting more and more ridiculous. Get this now, a visual metaphor of a dense scientific paper being wrung out like a wet towel, with the drips forming simplified, easily digestible information. Nuggets, wow, and it still delivers. And if we so desire, we can ask for 10,000 variants of these concepts, and it will do exactly that, and very, very quickly. So just imagine how powerful this concept of having large language models be able to create images would be. But the assistant itself cannot output or even show images directly until now. If we ask Baird to recommend sides to see in New Orleans, oh my, what do we have here? Look, images are part of the recommendations too. Note that these images are found and not generate. But I am fairly confident that this is going to happen, and quickly. But wait, it gets better. What is that? Is it possible that, oh yes, that is an image input, which we can now provide to Bard, and it will do whatever we wish. In this case, it will write a funny caption for it, or as many as we wish, and as a good fellow scholar, if we wish to get back and learn some more, and perhaps apps go to college, and we are interested in video games, it can recommend colleges that offer this kind of program. But that is not so surprising. The surprise comes now. It even fires up Google Maps and shows them to us on the map. And this is just a small example that showcases the true potential of these assistants. And that is integration with other programs, and if we wish to cram all this information into a beautiful little table, we can do that too. But wait, CAD Jeep KD can do this as well. So why is this interesting? Well, hold on to your papers, fellow scholar. And look, we can add an additional column to it on the fly, describing whether these colleges are private or public. And here you see one more instance of good software integration, where we can add it to Google Sheets and share it with our friends with just a click. However, the integration is not limited to Google's apps. You will be able to infuse this assistant with the power of Instacart, Spotify, and my favorite, Khan Academy in the next few months. Our next video is going to be on exactly that, and the work is beyond amazing, so make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon if you're interested. But the list does not stop here. Remember that I said that it would be absolutely amazing to have the AI write prompts and generate images in one go. Well, look. Oh, my Adobe Firefly integration. Yes, that is exactly what is going to happen soon. What a time to be alive. And it gets better. Bard is free to use as of now and is available in 180 countries as of the making of this video. And finally, there is now Comp.AI in this space, which is really good for us, the users. And don't forget, all this is possible because of the existence of these amazing research papers in ChatGPT's case, GP, and in Bart's case, a work called Palm. So once again, everyone is talking about the papers. Some might not know about it, but they do, and just imagine what we will be able to do. Just 2 more papers down the line. My goodness, so for now, let the experiments begin. If you're looking for inexpensive cloud GPUs, for A Lambda now offers the best prices in the world for GPU cloud compute, no commitments or negotiation, required just sign up and negotiation required just sign up. Launch an instance and hold on to your papers. Because with Lambda GPU Cloud, you can now get on demand each 100 instances for just $24 per hour. They are one of the first cloud providers to offer publicly available on demand. 100 access did I mention they also offer persistent storage, so join. Researchers at organizations like AppleMit and Caltech, in using Lambda Cloud instances, workstations, or servers, make sure to go to ComCelt Papers to sign up for one of their amazing GPU instances today. Thanks for watching and for your generous support, and I see you next time.